ఓకే అమ్మా, ప్రీవియస్ క్లాస్లో ఏం చూసాము? నెట్వర్కింగ్ కాన్సెప్ట్స్. ఈ నెట్వర్కింగ్ కాన్సెప్ట్స్లో టైప్స్ ఆఫ్ టోపాలజీస్. ఆల్రెడీ మీ క్వశ్చన్ అయిపోయింది కదా, డిఫరెంట్ కైండ్స్ ఆఫ్ టోపాలజీస్ ఆర్ దేర్. వాట్ ఈస్ మెన్ బై నెట్వర్క్? ఏ నెట్వర్క్ ఈజ్ ఏ interconnection of computers. They are sharing the information, changing the information, and we are having different kinds of topologies. What is meant by tree? A topology is a diagrammatic representation of a network system. Diagrammatic representation of a network system. So in these topologies, we are having 6 types of topologies are there. First one, topology, star topology, ring topology, mesh topology, tree topology, and last one is the hybrid topology. Okay, already we discussed these topologies in the previous session. Okay, today we will learn about types of networks, or we call it as a types of communication networks. So what is meant by network? As I already told you, a network is a interconnection of computers. So coming to types of networks, we are having 9 types of networks can be classified. 9 types. See, first one, LAN. See here, LAN means local area network. LAN means local area network. And second one is the MAN. MAN means metropolitan area networks. And third one, WAN. WAN means wide area network. And fourth one, WLAN. WLAN means wireless local area networks. Wireless means without cables. Wireless local area networks. Next one, Bluetooth. Already you know. This is also a wireless network. Bluetooth, or we call it as a PAN. PAN means personal area network. This is also wireless network. Okay. And next one, CAN. CAN means campus area network. And next one, SAN. SAN means storage or system area network. S for storage or system. Storage area network, or we call it as a system area network. And next one, HAN. HAN. HAN abbreviation, home area networks. And the last one is TAN. TAN means tiny area network. In this way, we are having 9 types of networks. Okay, let us discuss about one by one. First one, LAN. LAN means local area network. A local area network is a network that connects computers and devices. Devices are nothing but input devices, output devices. Monitor, speaker, keyboard, okay, mouse. All these we call it as a physical component of a computer system, or we call it as a devices, input and output devices. A network, a local area network is a network that connects computer and devices in a limited area. In a limited area, computers are connected in a limited area. Limited area means here limited area means such as home, school, computer laboratory, office building, or group of buildings. Group of buildings. In these situations only, we are using the local area network. Simply, local area network means that connects the computer, that connects the computer or devices in a limited area. In a limited area, that means small stations. That means small stations. Limited area is nothing but offices, homes, schools, computer laboratory, and also we are using in office buildings or group of buildings or group of buildings. So ఇప్పుడు మీరు already you know in our computer laboratory. Computer laboratory is a which type of network? It is a local area network. Local area network. Personal computers and workstations are connected to each other through the LANs. Personal computers are nothing but PCs. PCs. The PCs and workstations are connected to each other through the LANs. Are connected to each other through the LANs. So in our laboratory also we are having the different types of computers. They are connected to each other. That's why that type of network we call it as a local area network. Local area network. And each computer or device on the network is called as a node. Each computer or network. Suppose in our computer laboratory, we are having a computer system like this. Like this. This is one computer, this is one computer, this is one computer. Like the computers will be placed. So these all are interconnected. These all are interconnected. So this type of network we call it as a node. Node. Here, a node is nothing but computer. Nothing but computer. Each computer or device on the network, we call it as a node. We call it as a node. Simply, node is nothing but a computer network. A computer which is connected on the network. We can use the different types of topologies through topologies. Already we know a topology is nothing but it. What is meant by topology? Diagrammatic or picture representation of a network arrangement. Diagrammatic or picture representation of a network arrangement. We call it as a topology. So in this LAN, we can use the different types of topologies through the LAN. We can use the different types of topologies through the local area network. So what are the different kinds of topologies? We can use the different kinds of topologies through the local area network. That means we can use the star topology, ring topology, bus topology, tree topology. All these topologies can form the network through the local area network. Through the local area network. Okay, so a local area network is a one type of network which is used to connect the computers and devices within a limited area. Limited area is nothing but locally we are connecting to each computer, such as home, office buildings, computer laboratory, These are the examples for the local area network. Local area network. So we call it as each computer on the network. We call it as a node. We call it as a node. A node is nothing but a computer. A computer. So in this local area network, we can use the different types of topologies. What is meant by topology? A topology is a picture representation or diagrammatic representation of a network arrangement. We can use the tree topology, bus topology, mesh topology, star topology, ring topology through the local area network. Through the local area network. Okay. And next one, MAN. MAN means Metropolitan Area Network. LAN means Metropolitan Area Network. So, Metropolitan Area Network means it is basically a bigger version of LAN, an extension version of LAN. We call it as a Metropolitan Area Network, extension of the LAN. It also uses the similar topology as LAN. So, in this also, we are using the different kinds of topologies as connected through the local area network. So a MAN is a network that interconnects the computers or devices within a city. Within a city. Local area network means we are interconnected computers locally. But metropolitan area network means we are interconnecting the computers or devices within a city or campus. Within a city or campus to form a single large network. To form a single large network. Simply we can say that collection of lands, we call it as a metropolitan area network. Metropolitan area network. So it is used in cities, campus to form a large network. It covers larger than a plan, but smaller than plan. So it is larger as metropolitan area network is larger than plan, but it is smaller than WAN as it compares to WAN is very smaller network as compared to LAN. It is very larger network, very larger network. It is mainly operated by single private company or public company. It is mainly operated by the single private company or public private company. Okay, simply we can say that different collection of lands are we call it as a metropolitan area network. Okay, and it is also we call it as a extension of land, extension of land. And next one, wide area network, WAN. Simply we can say that WAN. A WAN is a computer network that covers a large physical area such as a city tree using a communications channels such as telephone lines, cables, and also satellite link and also satellite links. Okay, wide area means we are use a large number of data through communication in these networks, connect communication channels. Communication channels are nothing but lines, cables, and satellite links and satellite links. Okay, a wide area network is used in the cities and the places. And in this wide area network, we are using the some communicating channels. Communicating channels are nothing but telephone wires, okay, cables, such example, right? Links. WAN can be private or it can be public lease network. Public lease network. Okay. So leased. What is meant by licensed or leased? So today we are having some licensed software. అంటే కొన్ని direct గా some of the softwares are available freely downloadable. What is meant by freely downloadable? Without paying cost. Some things are available on the on the internet by paying some amount. అంటే licensed అంటే we are paying some amount. Without license అంటే without, which is freely available on the network. It is not easy to design and maintain. It is not. It is very difficult to design the wide area network, and it is very difficult to maintain the wide area network. Wide area network. Cities, which is widely used in our cities and countries, and also through the communication channels, telephone wires, satellite links లలో మనం ఎక్కువగా we are using the wide area network. Wide area network. And next one, wireless local area network. Simply we can say that WLAN, wireless local area network. A wireless LAN is a LAN that uses radio signals. That uses the radio signals. Wireless. What is meant by wireless? Without using cables. Without using cables. So in this we are using the some radio signals. Some radio signals. Simply we call it as a Wi-Fi. We call it as a Wi-Fi to connect the computers instead of cables. Instead of cables. Wireless local area network means without using cables, we are using some signals, some radio signals. That radio signals we call it as a Wi-Fi. Through this Wi-Fi, we are connecting the network instead of cables. Instead of cables. And next one, Bluetooth. Already you know, Bluetooth is also one of the wireless network. This is also called as a personal area network. This is also we call it as a personal area network. Bluetooth is a wireless networking technology designed for very short range connections. Very short range connections. Just as a typically just a few meters. A few meters లో మాత్రమే this type of network will be accessed. This type of network will be accessed. Okay, so a Bluetooth is a one of the wireless networking technology which is designed to for very short range connections. Short range connections are nothing but a few meters. A few meters. And next one, CAN. CAN means campus area network. Campus area network. The campus area network are usually a connection of many small LAN networks. Many small LAN networks. We call it as a many small LAN networks. We call it as a campus area networks, which are often used on university campuses and office buildings. Um, Campus area networks are mainly used in the university campuses and office buildings. Campus area network allow for easy to file sharing between different. It is very easy to share the information from one computer to another computer. Or simply we can say that a small local area networks are interconnected. This type of network we call it as a campus area network. Campus area network. And next one, SAN. SAN means storage area network. Storage area network. The storage area networks are primarily used as information databases. In the name లోనే మనకుంది storage area network, which is used for storing the information. It is mainly used as information databases. Databases is nothing but collection of information. They are not usually used by large organizations or similar entities. It is mainly used to store the information in large organizations. Large organizations are nothing but example MNCs. MNCs are nothing but multinational companies are in the banking sector. Banking sector is also a large organization. MNCs, multinational companies are also come under the large organizations. In different types of large organizations, they are using the storage area network for storing the large amount of information and easy for retrieval of specific pieces of data whenever required. By using this storage area network, it is very easy to retrieve the information um, whenever user required. It is very easy to retrieve the information. For storaging purpose, we are using the storage area network. And next one, HAN. HAN means home area networks. Home area networks. A network contained within a user's home. A network which is connected within a homes that connect a personal digital devices. Simply, we can say that PCs. PCs are nothing but personal computer. These personal computers are available in homes. A network that contained within a user's home. యూజర్స్ హోమ్ లో ఇంట్లో యూజ్ చేసేటువంటి టైప్ ఆఫ్ నెట్వర్క్ ని మనం ఏమంటామంటే పర్సనల్ కంప్యూటర్స్ యూజ్ చేసే నెట్వర్క్ ని హోమ్ ఏరియా నెట్వర్క్ అండ్ ద లాస్ట్ వన్ ఇస్ ద టీనీ ఏరియా నెట్వర్క్ సో టీనీ ఏరియా నెట్వర్క్ మీన్స్ టీనీ ఏరియా నెట్వర్క్ are the same as LANs. These are very similar to the local area network, but smaller. Means it works 2 to 3 missions only. In the local area network, we are connected 10 computers or 20 computers or 30 computers which are interconnected in one room. But this teeny area network interconnected only 2 to 3 missions only. 2 or more computers cannot be used in this teeny area network. We can use 2 or 3 computers. 2 or 3 missions మాత్రమే మనం ఇందులో యూజ్ చేస్తాము. But in this teeny area network, we are using the which type of network? We are using the local area network only. We are using in this teeny area network. Okay, so these are the 9 types of networks available in our networking concepts. Okay, అర్థమైందమ్మా? హలో పాప, అర్థమైందా?
Yes, ma'am. అర్థమైంది ma'am.
So how many types of networks are there, ma?
9, ma'am.
నాకు ఆన్సర్ చేయాలి. How many types of networks are there?
9, ma'am. 9, ma'am.
9. Okay, what are they? Tell me one by one. ఒక్కొక్కరు చెప్పండి.
Local area network, ma'am.
Local area network,
Okay.
Metropolitan area network, ma'am.
Okay.
wide area network, wireless local area network,
Wireless local area network, ma'am.
Wireless
Bluetooth
means? Wireless means?
hotspot, ma'am.
wireless
Okay.
Example,
Okay. ఇంకా నెక్స్ట్ చెప్పండి. Types of
personal
network.
area network, ma'am.
Okay.
Bluetooth, ma'am. Campus
Okay.
area network,
Campus area networks, ma'am.
Okay.
Storage area network,
Storage
ma'am.
or system area networks.
Okay.
Home area network, tiny area
Home
network.
area networks. Tiny area
What is the
network, ma'am.
last one? What is the last
Tiny
one?
Tiny area network, ma'am.
Tiny area network.
Area network. Okay. What is the use of SAN, ma? Storage area network. What is the use of SAN? SAN means mainly we use
Storage area network,
Information
ma'am.
for storing information data, ma'am.
Storage of information, ma'am.
Storage of information, ma'am.
ఓకే ఓకే స్టోరేజ్ ఆఫ్ ఇన్ఫర్మేషన్ ఓకే అర్థమైందమ్మా ఓకే
Yes, ma'am.
మీకు 2 టాపిక్స్ కంప్లీట్ అయ్యాయమ్మా టైప్స్ ఆఫ్ నెట్వర్కింగ్ కాన్సెప్ట్ లో వచ్చేసి టైప్స్ ఆఫ్ టోపాలజీస్ టైప్స్ ఆఫ్ నెట్వర్క్ ఓకే సో
మ్యామ్ మాకు ఈ మెటీరియల్ గ్రూప్ లో షేర్ చేయండి మ్యామ్.
చేస్తానమ్మా చేస్తాను తప్పకుండా షేర్ చేస్తాను ఓకేనా
థ్యాంక్ యూ మ్యామ్.
నెక్స్ట్ సెషన్ లో మనము డేటా కమ్యూనికేషన్ దాని గురించి చూద్దాం దిస్ ఈజ్ ఆల్సో వన్ కైండ్ ఆఫ్ ద నెట్వర్కింగ్ కాన్సెప్ట్ ఇన్ ద నెక్స్ట్ సెషన్ we will discuss about this topic types of డేటా కమ్యూనికేషన్ గురించి మనము నెక్స్ట్ సెషన్ లో చూద్దాము ఓకేనా ఏమ్మా 61 మెంబర్స్ జాయిన్ అయ్యారు 83 లో ఆన్లైన్ అటెండెన్స్ ఈజ్ కంపల్సరీ మా ఓకేనా ఇంకా నెక్స్ట్ క్లాస్ మనకు ఫ్రైడే వస్తుంది నేను ఈ మెటీరియల్ మీకు షేర్ చేస్తాను గ్రూప్ లో పెడతాను ఓకే నేను పెట్టిన ప్రతి క్లాస్ కి అందరూ
Okay, ma'am.
అటెండ్ అవ్వండి అమ్మా ఓకేనా చలా
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
ఓకే ఓకే
తేజ ఉన్నావా తేజ క్లాస్ లో లేదు తేజ తేజ రాలేదా రాలేదనుకుంటబ్బా పిల్ల వచ్చింది ఇందాక ఉంది ఆ పిల్లది పేరు ఇప్పుడు లేదు సుజీ రమ్మ రమ్మ రారమ్మ లూడో ఆడుకుందాం డానీ లూడో ఆడుకుందాం రా మాట్లాడేది లూడో ఎట్ట ఆడవాళ్ళన్నా అన్ని
ఆడద్దు నువ్వు కూడా
అసలా జ్ఞాని అబ్బా జ్ఞాని లెఫ్ట్ అయిపోయింది సెట్
నేనేమో పొలాలంపడి తిరుగుతాను
ఇట్ట ఇప్పుడు మాకు సెమినార్ అందుకే ధైర్యం కోసం కూడా ఆడుతున్నా
జీ ఆల్ ది బెస్ట్ జువాల్ సెమినార్
సమాధి అయిపోయింది కదా
అయిపోయింది సుస్మితాను
అయిపోయిందే నాది అయిపోలే నాది ఈ రోజు జాత పైసలు అందరం విన్నే ఈ రోజే 3 నిమిషాలు 3 నిమిషాలు అంట కదా అందరికి
చెప్పేది సుజీ
చెప్పురమ్మా
మెట్రో ట్రైన్ లాగా పోవాలి ఎట్లుండవో
3 నిమిషాలు సెమినార్ పట్టు అని అయిపోతుంది గెట్లా ఆస్తానాలమ్మా గెట్లా ఆస్తానాలా
వెరీ గుడ్ ఎక్సలెంట్ సుజాత అంటది ఇంకా
వద్దులేదు నాకు అంత ఆశీర్వాదాలన్నీ వద్దు నాకు ఇటుకుంటే చాలా ఎవరు ఉన్నారమ్మా పాపం ఆ పిల్ల లెఫ్ట్ అయిపోయింది అప్పుడే అస్మత్ ఉంది భువనేశ్వర్ ఉంది
సర్లే సుజీ బాయ్ నేను కూడా లెఫ్ట్ అయిపోతాను
నేను లెఫ్ట్ అవుతాను బాయ్ రమ్మా
బాయ్
అయిపోయిందా?